Bonjour, Kinamage Nene Ireland Indigenicas, and welcome to this episode of Support Coach Television. Today's episode, My Castle, First Read Answers. We'll begin by looking at the figurative language chart, which is page 259. You should have received this worksheet within your packet. If you did not, please contact me, or you may choose to do this as a Google form on the attached assignment for first read. Either one of them is acceptable and will be scored, but you do not need to do both. Also, if you are reaching this video and you have not completed the worksheet, you should exit out of the video and then return when you get to that point. These will be the orange boxes in our story, and it'll give you a page number, and it's giving you some of the text. So the first one, it says, with the costly gems about them that sends their light afar, with a chaste and soft and splendor, like the light of a distant star. And we need to determine if this is a simile or metaphor. And I want to show you that there is a particular word here. That word, like. That is one of our indicators that this should be a simile. What does this simile mean? That the gems sparkle like the stars in the sky. So again, look for the like or as in these. We'll go ahead and clear the drawings. You're gonna notice on page 40, it tells us we're gonna need a metaphor, but it doesn't give us the actual lines or stanza. So we need to go back and look on page 40. And if we're doing this lesson in class or live, you'll notice that the orange box says read lines 37 to 40. That'll help you know what to do on this exact question. So let's read lines 37 to 40. Perchance you are right. I know not if a phantom it may be, but yet in my inmost heart, I feel that it lives and lives for me. I'm looking at, I know not if a phantom it may be. And that's what I would write in here. This part right here, I know not if a phantom it may be. So the last half of line 37 and line 38. It already checked metaphor. And what does this mean? It means the castle might be a phantom or as unreal as a ghost. Obviously, the author is assuming that ghosts aren't real. Some of you may disagree. All right, let's go to page 40. It says, for when clouds and darkness are around me. I don't see the word like or as, so I would choose metaphor. And what does it mean? The clouds and darkness are the troubles and fears in the speaker's life. So that reaches the conclusion of answer key number 1 here. You should return to the Google Classroom for further instructions, or be prepared for second read in tomorrow's episodes. Again, if you have any questions about the content, remember office hours are frequently held at 2 o'clock on days like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Or you can email me at mireland@sagchipschool.net. I'm going to wish you all a Minogijigad. Bamapi.